Okay, you guys, so today we are doing a restaurant cleaning. I have my ladies in here, Miss Cassia and Kayla. We're going to take the deck brush and we're going to be cleaning around this area here. You see where the darkness is. We're going to do the glass, front and back, windows. In this restaurant, small restaurant, we got 2 bathrooms. Okay, so today we're doing a deep clean on a small restaurant. It has 2 bathrooms. We'll be deep cleaning the bathrooms. We'll be cleaning the baseboards, scrubbing the walls, the light switches, as you can see right there. We will be, we don't have to go in the back, which is good. We're only going to be cleaning the front of the house. If you look on the floor and see all that icky stuff on the floor, we're going to get a deck brush and some degreaser. Look at that wall. Oh my gosh. We're going to put degreaser on that. I usually use Grease Lightning and Mean Green. So we use that and just a scrubber, and we're going to get it all clean. After footage of my cleaner's job today. Oh, it smells good in here.
Girl, come on, we about to die all that chemical stuff. We had to go outside 9 times.
Yeah, look at y'all.
All our eyes burning. People were kicking butt. I think it was that, I smelled vinegar oil like
Good.
Oh, my name is Deja.
Hey, boo-boo. This is Deja. My gosh. Looks like a totally different.
It smells better than smell.
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
No, before.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It must have been a mood.
I hate to walk over your floor, but I gotta get my footage. Okay, today my ladies did a deep clean on a small restaurant. It only has 2 bathrooms. They did the baseboards, they scrubbed the walls, the glass, inside and out. All of the doors were scrubbed from top to bottom. We did not have to go in the kitchen area where the cooking is actually done. We only cleaned the front of the house and the restrooms. So right here you see the bathroom is nice and clean now. The sink looks totally different. The light switch is even clean. Yes. As you can see, the walls are clean now. I'm sorry for the camera going so fast. But right here is where all of the grease was on the wall. And my ladies did a tremendous job. We used Grease Lightning, degreaser, and Mean Green. And I also bought a few deck brushes from Home Depot. Okay, you guys, so my ladies just got finished with this wonderful restaurant here. It smells so good now that they got finished with it. And I do have a testimonial from my client. Okay, so I just want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
How do you think my ladies did today?
They did a wonderful job. I could not be even more happy. Surpassed my expectations. I'm a completely happy camper. I would definitely use y'all service again. Most definitely.
Thank you so much. Thank y'all heard it. Okay, so I'm going to send you a link for you to give us a little review, you know, on Google. Give us a review. I will gladly appreciate that, and let us know if we could ever help you again.
Who is my bunch of bleach?
You take cash? Cash in front?
She said,
Okay, you guys, so that was my day. As you can see, it's nighttime now, and I'm sitting in my car to finish up my video. But that client actually found me through a referral. So he called me and he said that he got this new restaurant and he heard that our service was magnifique and he wanted to give us a try. He needed a deep clean on the front of the restaurant. So small restaurant. He also needs a deep clean on in the kitchen part too, but we'll get to that another day. Today we just focus on the front area of it. And when I went there, when he called me, I went and I did the walkthrough the same day. So I just wanted to tell you guys, like, whenever you get these phone calls or whatever, it's important that you do the walkthrough as soon as possible. Do it same day, next day. Don't push your walkthrough like 3 or 4 days if you can. You know, I like to try to hurry up and get out there, because when I called him, he was like, which company is this? Because he had already called 3 people. Okay, so that's how quick these clients are looking for people, you know what I mean? So I'm glad that I was able to get in there. When he told me that, you know, he had called 3 people prior, you know, after I didn't answer the phone the first time, when I missed his phone call, I was like, oh man, I gotta hurry up and get out here. So anyway, I did the quote, and I quoted him a whopping $500. I ended up giving him a discount, which came up to $485, right? So I put my 2 contractors in there, and I paid them both $200 a piece. I normally would pay $150 a piece, but since this was my daughter and my best friend, gave them a little extra. Okay, and then the company profited $85. Okay, this was a 4.5 hour clean for 2 people, so it really wasn't that bad. 4.5 hours, 2 people. Normal price would be $150 for each contractor, but they end up making $200 in 4.5 hours a piece. So that's not bad. And then, you know, the company profited $85. Hey, I'm happy. Okay, so sometimes when I get these gigs, I try to help my people out as much as possible, you know what I mean, because I know how hard it is. When I started my business, the one thing I wanted to do was not pay people crappy, like a lot of the crappy jobs that I've worked before. $8 and $9 an hour is crazy, you know. So if you can make $200 in 4.5 hours, you winning nowadays. So I mean, everybody's happy. Everybody did their share, did their part, and most importantly, we have another satisfied client. Okay, so one more thing I want to tell you guys before I leave is try to get into the habit of getting a video review. You know, that's my thing for this year. I said I want to get more video reviews from my clients. You know, after that, when they say they love it, like you heard him, he said, yeah, man, it smells good, looks good. Because I always tell them, how did you like? And they'll say, yeah. When they're saying yeah, that's when you whoop it out on them. Say, do you mind giving me a video review real quick? Because it looks really, really good on your website. When you start building up those video testimonials, oh my gosh, you know. And not only that, but I'm also going to end up sending him a review link so that he can go on my Google page and he can leave us a review on Google. So those reviews, they really, really help. Don't forget, I know sometimes you guys, you know, you're trying to hurry up and get out of there, out of cleaning. I've done it before myself. So don't forget to get the review. Reviews, they help you gain more clients. Okay, so that's my time for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you got a little bit of knowledge on how to quote. I like to be honest with you guys with these prices and stuff, so that just in case you run into a small restaurant like that, you will know how to quote it. Okay, so there you go. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, that's my time. I'm out.